So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to flip an image vertically or how to flip an image vertical here on easel. So once you have easel opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to obviously add an image into your design. So I go to the right hand side, press on images right here, and then just add an image to your design. So if I wanted to, for example, use this image, how about let's use an image that's more of a landscape, just so it's a little bit easier. How about we use this one right here of these real luxury cars. So I'll make it a little bit smaller so it's a little bit easier to see when I actually show you guys what I mean by this. So if you want to flip the image vertical, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image, go to the top left here to this hourglass looking thing, the two triangles this way, it says flip vertically. If you simply just press on that, it flips it vertically. So for example, if you wanted to copy, paste it, have a duplicate copy just like that, and you wanted to make sort of like a mirror image of each other, or like a reflection in like some water or whatever the case may be, simply just press the image right there, do the exact same thing, flip vertical, and look at just like that. It looks like a mirror image of each other as if it's reflected in water or whatever. But yeah, fairly straightforward. That is how you guys can flip an image vertical here on easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.